Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. So we are going to learn the 5 new words of today, which is 4th of April 2019. This is the daily vocabulary booster by Oliveboard. So we're picking up these 5 words from the Hindu editorial, and this is to improve your English and help you learn new words. Okay, but before we start, don't forget to take up a free mock test by Oliveboard for any bank or government exam that you are preparing for by clicking on the link given to you in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. So we start with the first term, which is called manifesto. We know that the elections are really near. So manifesto is a public declaration of the policy and aims, especially one issued before an election by a political party or a candidate. So this is the declaration of the policy and aims that a particular party has in their mind if they win the elections. So few of the synonyms are policy statement or a declaration that they make well in advance, like before the results are out. Okay, so the usage: the manifesto is long-winded, repetitive and often ambiguous or poorly drafted. So that means we know there is a lot of ambiguity with respect to whether the particular political party will make sure that all the promises that they make before the elections, whether they fulfill it or not. Then we have the next term called peculiarity. Now peculiarity is a characteristic that is distinctive of a particular person or place. So something which is peculiar or something that belongs to either a particular person or a particular place. It's very distinctive and you do not find that anywhere else. Okay. So the synonyms are characteristic and feature. So we know that there are some features here. We can talk about a mobile phone also, that a particular feature is available only in this mobile phone and it is not available in any other mobile phones. Okay, so that means it is the peculiarity of that particular product. So the usage is: for all his peculiarities, she finds him quite endearing. So that means for all the qualities or the distinctive qualities that a person has got is what has kept her to look for him. The third term is slacked. So slacked is something which is not taut or held tightly in position, which means something which is loose. So slack is a synonym of loose. The other synonyms are sluggish, slow, quiet or slow moving. So something that you're not holding very tight, something that is let loose. Usage: they were working at a slack place. That means they were not really held very tightly in the place that they were working. So there was freedom that the employees were getting in that particular place. The next term is setback. Setback is a reversal or check in progress. That means we are moving with something that pulls us back. हम एग्जाम के लिए भी पढ़ाई कर रहे होते हैं, but there is one instance that happens and it just pulls us back. हमारा पूरा routine खराब हो जाता है. So that is what is called setback. Few of the synonyms are problem, difficulty, issue, hitch, complication or upset. So these are all the synonyms. Now we'll check the usage. The retaliatory attack on the army is a serious setback for the peace process. Now we know that we are walking towards the peace process, but suddenly if there is an attack that happens on our army, it just sets everything back. That is when we use the term setback. And the last term for today, which is unprecedented. It is unprecedented, which means never done or known before. So it is something that we've never done before or something that we had no idea about before this or before we got to know about it. So few of the synonyms are unparalleled, unequaled, unmatched or unrivaled. We'll check the usage. The government took the unprecedented step of releasing the confidential correspondence. So the government made us know of some things that were kept or that were hidden from us all this while. Well, those were the 5 words that we've learned for today. Do like this video and share it with your friends and help them improve their vocabulary too. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.